Mud just gets everywhere. I wish I could get that thing to squeak less. They said there's nothing you can do about it, so sucks. It's a nice, typical winter day in central Illinois. Gary's airing up the tires because, yeah, it got cold. We had a little problem getting in and out of here. So we have caked on goodness on these tires. Look at that. Unfortunately, we're taking all their mud and rock with us. Oh well. We are going to be heading out to my parents for a few days up in Northwest Indiana, and then hopefully we're heading back to Morton to get our radiator fixed. And then after that we're going to be going south because cold is nice, but it would still be nice to get the rest of that diesel heater tested out fully. I think we'll have some chances as we're going south though. Dumping is complete.
It is complete.
Good.
Alrighty. Alright. This is what happens when you get dirt in your dualies. We marked our territory and left our trail. Little mud dingleberries.
Well, we've been at my parents' for a few days, mainly staying at her house, although we do sleep in the camper. Gary is in the back putting clothes away because we got to use my parents' washer and dryer, which is always a bonus when you're visiting family. But we're going to be heading out today. North and south. You happen to know?
South, where we're aiming right now.
We're aiming south?
Yeah. What does it mean?
If we need Starlink.
Well, it's got to go to the north of Starlink.
So we stayed a few nights here at Moraine View State Park. Just wanted a little bit of change of scenery, but we did absolutely nothing. I kind of tweaked my back 2 days ago, so I've been kind of just laying around doing pretty much nothing. So kind of a low-key couple of days. It's about 30 degrees here now. It's about 1 o'clock, so definitely got quite cold last night. I think some of the changes that Gary did on the heater have definitely been working. It's definitely keeping up a lot better than it was before. So we're just gonna pack up and get out of here. Gonna visit my son one more time, drop some stuff off, and then I think we'll be staying at a Cracker Barrel tonight. We're waiting just a few more days in order to get that radiator. Good morning. We are currently at a Walmart near my son's apartment, so we're trying to work on his girlfriend's car, and we thought we'd stay in the area but just do something a little different, so we're staying at the local Walmart here. I think sometimes when you know the Walmarts, you don't want to stay there, but honestly this one was on par with some of the quieter ones we've been to, so not a bad deal. We're still waiting for a call about our radiator. Hopefully we'll get that today. We'll probably make the call ourselves, maybe by this afternoon. We'll keep our fingers crossed. We have no available data from AT&T.
That's right. Geese are butt up. Fishing over there.
Yeah.
I'll be there to put one foot in front of the other.
Yeah, so we've been stuck here in Illinois. It's rather frustrating because the truck radiator has taken a lot longer than what we expected. We took it into the dealer to get the timing cover oil leak taken care of.
Back at the end of October.
End of October. And then we discovered that we had a water coolant leak. We tried to order a radiator. You'd think
They'd have enough parts.
you'd have enough parts laying around. But turns out Chrysler cannot seem to get their act together and get us a part.
So we've been waiting for this radiator since November 7th. It is now, what, December, what is
13th?
Is it the 13th? Yeah, it is. December 13th. And we still do not have a good ETA on this radiator. So we're trying to honestly figure out what our plans are.
First time your heart breaks, I'll pick up the pieces and put them back together. I'll be there for you. Every fall and every
I'm thinking maybe Thursday we can maybe go up to Starved Rock and check out that campground.
Yeah, that might be a good idea. Just give us a different viewpoint since we've been here for multiple weeks now.
We'll have to check it out because I know they on the website they were closed because of hunting season. So we'll have to see if it's open on Thursday.
Yeah.
If we can't find anything, we can always come back here. So they know us pretty well now.
They definitely do. This is getting frustrating being here for this long. I feel like we're kind of going backwards. Just don't feel like we're getting anywhere right now.
Oh, well, we aren't theoretically.
Good point. I'm starting to get antsy and impatient.
I've been there, so.
I don't know what the winds are, but I can.
Not really. Maybe just do like
40. You have arrived.
Thank you.
Evidently, they just drop them in there like bombs.
Pretty small amount for $9. That's a really nice fire pit. Like super nice. Would you like a semi-frozen wiener?
Sure.
Maybe semi-frozen is a little optimistic. It's kind of like fully frozen.
Yeah,
It's a little frosty.
a little stiffer.
Frosty the wiener. Seriously? Oh, lots of wood. Sometimes I wonder if snow would be better than mud. Ugh.
It won't be as pretty as it would be for the summer.
No, but it's still nice.
Orange Canyon Trail. Know what I mean, Vern? See the cool rock formations. Grooved its way right into the ground.
Ooh,
Hello.
wow. Echo.
Howdy ho. That's us.
That is us. And
Zigzags wood through here. Couldn't imagine the folks that had to drag all this wood in here to make a plank road.
yeah,
It's kind of wild.
kind of boring.
It is kind of boring.
We found a new use for the heater. It's to proof pizza bread. I think our proofing worked pretty well. Nice.
Looks good.
Ooh. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, we're at Starved Rock State Park. It is snowing and we need to get out of here.
Yeah, unfortunately, as you can hear, the truck is revved up, but the radiator is still on back order. We're trying to get it done. I keep filling it up, but you know, you can only do that so much. So
Yep.
hopefully Chrysler will give us a Christmas present. We can get out of here and go to someplace warmer.
I hope so. It is December 18th, so you are as informed as we are right now. We're hoping to get this done. We will see you in the next year, and you'll hopefully find out that we're in good shape.
Yeah, we're either in North Carolina or still here.
All right. As always, leave every place you visit a little better.
And we'll see you on the next trail.
Bye.
Bye.